having?
Very
Afternoon.
good, Dev Krish. Very good. Okay, Dev Krish, mom.
Yes,
If in
ma'am.
case he's going to say Kidzi anthem, you give him his headset, okay?
Okay,
Because his
ma'am.
voice is very low. I was not able to hear very clearly. It was very low.
Okay, ma'am.
Next time, whenever you say Kidzi anthem, what you will wear? Dev Krish, what will you wear? You should wear headset. Yeah, that's it. Very good, children. Good afternoon, children. All of you unmute and tell me. Good afternoon. Come on. Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, by the time parents, I want their alphabet cards. Good afternoon, Vidyut. Wow, what a surprise. Well done, Vidyut. Somehow you said good afternoon. Okay, very good. Children, I want your alphabet cards. Okay, keep it ready. By the time we'll finish our warm up activity. Okay, all of you are ready? Come on, stand up, all of you. Come on, children. 1 minute, children. Okay. 1 minute, children. Go get my mobile and come.
What's going on? Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, oh. Ding, 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 ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, 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 ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Break it.
Why? What happened to Vishank? Why Vishank didn't? Yes, welcome, children. Welcome. Yeah, welcome, Rohita. You want gummy bear? Okay, let's play. 1 minute. For that, you will be sad like this. What is this, Vishank? Wait a minute, I'm going to play for you. Okay, this is for Vishank.
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th with lots of music, videos, and extras. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, cabin, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, party, party. Bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, party, party. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, funny, funny, lucky gummy bear. Yes, I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, cabin, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. I'm a little bit of a gummy. I'm a little bit of a gummy. I'm a little bit of a gummy. Free time you can. I'm a little bit of a gummy. I'm a little bit of a gummy. Free time you can ride me, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, party, party. Bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, bang, 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 do they party, party, party. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now Vishank is happy.
Yes.
Yes. Then high five.
High five, high five.
Yes, I deserve it, right? Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Kavyani. Okay, children, come on, all of you drink water and come back. Let's.
McDonald had a phone, ma'am. McDonald had a phone.
Huh? What, Mata?
McDonald.
Old MacDonald will sing. We didn't start the session yet, okay? Come on, drink water and come back. We'll finish our attendance and then we'll start, okay? Come on. is ready. Darshika. 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 Darshika is not there. Okay, Devarakshita. Devkrish.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish. Danvin. I am studying in junior KG. What happened, children? You are all looking very different today. Why? All because of this afternoon session, huh?
This one is feeling sleepy, ma'am.
Yes, that's it. All because of afternoon session, you all are very dull. Yes? Okay, we'll finish it off earlier. Okay, children, come on. Diction. Diction.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good diction. Farnaz. Hashni.
My name is Adini. I am studying in junior KG. I am KG1.
Kidzy girl. Janavi.
My name is John. I am studying in junior KG.
Look at me and say, no? Kartikeyan.
Yes.
Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan.
It's very cool.
Yes, ma. My name is Kartikeyan.
It's not audible, ma'am.
Yeah, I can't hear him. Your voice only I can hear.
Sound.
Yeah, man. My name is Karthikeyan. For this one.
Okay, children, I need alphabet flashcards. Children, keep it ready. And one chair also I need, okay? Ask your parents to keep it ready. We'll start, okay? Next is Kavyani.
Here I am, Manila ma'am. My name is Kalyani. I'm studying in KG and food is cold.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek. Nukshita.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Nukshita. Good, good. Pranita. 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 Okay. Next is Rohita.
My name is Sultan Fawaz from junior KG.
What you are eating, huh? Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik is there? No. Nitila. 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 Satvika. Nitila, come on, tell me your attendance, Nitila. Yeah, Pranita, I'll call you later. First, Nitila, tell me your attendance. My name is Nitila. Please, ma, tell me your attendance. Come on.
My name is Nitila.
Come on. Good girl, no? Come on.
My name is Nitila.
My name is Nitila.
My name is Nitila.
Okay, I think she's very sleepy. Okay, leave her. Don't force her. I'm marking her. Pranita, tell me your attendance. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, Good morning, ma'am. I am
Good
studying junior KG.
Okay, it's good afternoon, Pranita. Okay, Satvika.
My name is Satika Sri. I am studying in junior KG.
Well done, Satvika. Siddharth. Good afternoon. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Tilakar. No. Vishank. 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 My name is Vishank.
Vishank. ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு விஷாங்க். Ma'am, my name is
I
Vishank.
will also talk like that, okay? Yeah. Like that, I'll also talk. Is it okay for you? Speak clearly. Come on, you're a good boy, no? Come on. I played your favorite gummy bear, right? Come on. Very good, Vishank. Vivan.
Vivan attendance. Tanya.
Vivan.
Wait,
My name is Vivan. Okay, what animal is it telling my attendance today? Which animal are you? Yes. Okay, Vidyut. Vidyut.
Starting in, my name is Vidyut Water. Starting in,
Yeah, very good, Vidyut. Well done, Vidyut. High five, Vidyut. Good boy. High five. Yeah, that's it. Next, Darshika. Did you join, ma? Darshika.
studying junior KG.
Very good. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana is there? Lakshana, the new girl. She's not there. Okay. Okay, children, attendance session is over. Next is our rhyme session. Okay, are you all ready for that? Yes, what rhymes? Yesterday I taught you a new rhyme. Is it, children? What rhyme is that? What was that rhyme? Come on, tell me. What was that rhyme? Anyone unmute and tell me. What was that rhyme?
Butterfly.
Yeah, very good, night take. Butterfly rhyme. Yes? Shall we sing that rhyme today? First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. It's in your rhymes book, children. Okay, it is in your rhymes book itself. You can take and see. Okay. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Yes? Next time, under a web. Who is going to sing today under a web? Yeah, Hashni.
This spider and the laser 8 our wings lays 6 laser sheet.
Pranita. Okay, thank you, Hashni. Pranita, if you are going to sing, you have to unmute Pranita. Or else mute yourself, ma. Pranita, you are going to sing? Pranita? Pranita, you are going to sing? Under a web? Are you going to sing? Wait, ma, Siddharth. Yeah, sing. Sing, Pranita. Wait, Siddharth. 1 minute, Siddharth. Yes, Pranita only is going to sing. Come on, sing, Pranita. You unmuted, right? Come on, sing then. If you are not able to sing, then why are you unmuting yourself, ma? You can see others how they are singing, right? Yes or no? Yes, Pranita? First, watch how others are singing, okay? Who's this? Lakshana. Good afternoon. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Good afternoon, Lakshana. Very good, Lakshana. When did you join? I was calling you, Lakshana. You are in junior KG. Okay, what is my name?
My name is Lakshana.
No. What is your ma'am name? Ma'am name. What is your ma'am name? You know that?
சொல்லு
Hey,
அங்க
you
பாத்து
know
சொல்லு.
my name also? You know my name also?
Ma'am.
How do you know my name?
எப்படி தெரியும் கேக்குறாங்க.
How do you know my name?
தெரியும் சொல்லு.
அது எப்படி? Yes, I'm seeing you for the first time. How do you know my name?
Well, ma'am.
Vanilla, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, Lakshana, for joining. And children, I want you, all of you, to say a hi for Lakshana. She is your new friend, okay? Come on, say hi to Lakshana. Hi, Lakshana. Yes. Yes, okay, stop children. Okay, thank you children. Thank you very much. She is also saying hi to everyone. Okay, she is our new student in our class. Okay, children, now let's continue with our rhymes. Okay, under a web. Yes, Siddharth, continue. Continue, Siddharth. Under a web. Lakshana, now mute yourself and see how others are singing, ma. Okay? You finish the rhyme. Okay, one time ma'am is going to sing for you. Lakshana, come on, mute yourself. Come on, Kana, mute yourself. Mute பண்ணுங்க. Attendance over, ma. Okay. Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay. Now roly poly. In this roly poly, what we are going to learn? Opposites. Okay. Are you all ready? Come on, do the actions correctly, children. I'm watching everyone. Okay. Nobody should do it wrongly. Ma'am is going to sing and you're going to do the action. I don't want anyone lying in your bed. I don't want anyone playing with your chair. Yes, first do the action, hear it properly and do the action. Are you clear, Kavyani? You're lying on the bed? Yes, all of you, come on. Roly poly, up, up, up. Up means where will you clap? Up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, 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 big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, open, open, open. Roly poly, it is open, right? Now what we should do? What we should do? Close, very good. Roly poly, close, close, close. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. How will you show fat, children? Fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Yes, who is tall? Your mama or you, children? Who is tall? Yes. Tall. Yes, mama is tall, right? When you stand with your mama, who will be tall? Your mama only will be tall, right? Okay, roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly. What is this? What is this? Fast. Yeah, very good. All of you clap your hands. Come on. Very good, children. You did it very rightly. Thank you so much. Very good. Okay, children, are you ready with your cards? I want you to take A to E cards. Small letters A, B, C, D, E. And you have to keep it in that chair. Okay? Have to keep it in the chair. Arrange it in the chair. Yes, jumble and arrange it. And now ma'am is going to sing Fire in the Mountain. You are going to go around the chair and you have to pick up the card. Yes, will you do that? Yes? Okay, very good. Come on. Now arrange the alphabet cards in your table and stand up, children. Nobody should be seated. Come on, stand up and you have to run around the chair. And then ma'am will say what letter you have to pick up. And then you have to take the card. Okay? Understood? Any doubts?
How many letters are?
Any doubts, children?
How many letters are?
Yes. Arrange it in the chair, ma, Hashini. Yes, ma?
How many letters?
A, B, C, D, E.
E, D, E, F.
E, D, E, F. A, B,
Ma'am, we
C,
don't-
D, E. Yes?
E and F.
Ma'am, we don't have cards, ma'am. We are in
You
a
don't
special
have card, mean take a small paper and write it in it and arrange it.
E.
Write capital letters for Vidyut, Mithila, Lakshana. You three of you should do it with capital letters, not small letters. Others will do it with small letters. Okay, children?
C, E.
Mithila, Lakshana and Vidyut. Capital letters. A, B, C, D, E. You can take a A4 sheet of paper or whatever paper you have. Write the alphabet in it. Only 5 letters you are going to write. And you distribute it on the table or chair. Let them go around it. They'll run around it. And when I say stop, no, they'll pick up one card which I say.
Okay, ma'am.
కాదు దీంట్లో చూడసరికి మ్యామ్ చెప్పలేదు.
Okay? Now all of you arranged in the chair. Now all of you come stand next to the chair. Come on.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Yeah, stand next to the chair, ma. Kavyani, if you don't have chair, you run in the bed itself. You keep the cards down and you run in the bed itself. Those who have chair, you keep it in the chair. You keep the alphabets in the chair. Okay, start. Let us start. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. How will you run if there is fire in the mountain? If you see fire, what will you do? You will run, right? Come on, run. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Run fast, children. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Stop. Pick up the card E. Pick up the card E. Parents, you are not going to help them. Let them pick it on their own. E. Very good. Janavi, good. Picked up Danvin. Good. Right, also good. Now keep the card aside. Don't keep it with that cards. Keep it aside. Don't mix it with that cards. Okay, now again. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. 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 Stop. Pick up the card D. Children, it's D. Standing line, backside curve. D. Pick it up correctly. Parents, check whether they are picking it up correctly. Raita, Tarnika, Ashini, Kavyani, Naitik. Yeah, good. Danvin, good. Very good. Now keep the card aside. Keep the card aside. Okay, now ready? Come on, stand near the chair. Come on, stand near the chair. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. 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 Stop. Pick up the alphabet C. 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 Yes, very good, Karthikeyan. C. Very good, Raita. Tarnika, good. Yes, good. Diction, good, correct. Okay, now keep the card aside. Now, how many cards we have? Now, how many cards we have on the chair? 2. Wow, okay, 2 times you are going to do. Come on, children. Ready, steady, go. Come on. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Fast. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. 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 Stop. Stop. Pick up the card A. Pick up the card A.
See here, ma'am.
Very good, children. Wonderful, children. Very nice. Very good. And then what is left out in the chair? Okay. What? Okay, what is left out in the chair now? What alphabet is that? Huh? B. Very good and well done, children. All of you high five to ma'am. Come on. Very good. My children are very smart. High five to ma'am. Everyone high five, high five, high five. Yes, thank you, children. Thank you so much. Okay, coming back to our sight words. A small recap of our sight words and then we'll do our worksheet. Okay, children? Come on. What is it? No, Hashni should not say. Rohita should not say the answer because I have finished with you, okay? Except Hashni and Rohita, others should say. What is it? Very good. An, very good. As, very good. At, very good. The, well done. The. Of, Rohita will not say the answer. Rohita should not say. Ma. Is. Naitik, what are you doing, Naitik? What are you doing? Still in yes, AT. I am coming to IS. Still you are in AT at? Okay, IF. Okay, IF. Yes, very good. IT. Very good. IT. It is it Kartikeyan. Very good, ma. IN. On. Who is that on? In. On. IN is on. IN is in. No? Okay. Next. ON. On. OS. Okay. And then extra 2 words I taught you. What was that yesterday, children? I taught you extra 2 words. What is that? Yes, ma? Yes, 1 minute. Danvin will answer. 1 minute, ma. Yeah, Danvin, answer. Yes. He, she. Very good, children. He, she. Okay. For whom we'll say he? Boy or girl? Boy. And she? Girls. Very good, children. Wonderful, children. And now today we are going to have a small recap of position words. What are the position words? Come on, tell me. Any of you know that? What are they? In. Very good. In. On. In front of. Very good. In front of. Under. Very good. In. On. In front of. Under. Okay, come on, tell me. In. On. In front of. Under. Okay? Yes, can you see my screen, children?
Yes,
Can you see my screen, children? Position words. Position words. Okay, and the first picture is. What is this? Come on. Where is the girl? In the box. Very good. The girl is in the box. Very good. Next one. Where is the teddy? Teddy is in the table or on the table? Teddy is under the table. Teddy is on the table. Next one. Where is the man sitting?
Where is the man sitting?
Where is the man sitting? On the tree. Under. The man is sitting under the tree. See here. The man is sitting under the tree. Yes. Next one. Where is the dog sitting?
What is the
Dog is sitting. Very good. The dog is sitting under the chair. Next. Very good, children. Where is the cat?
In front of.
Very good. In front of. Yes, the cat is sitting in front of the box. And where is the dog sitting? The dog is sitting in front of. Well done, children. In front of. Okay. And today's worksheet, children, I'm going to tell you. Today's alphabet worksheet is V. Okay. Come on, take the worksheet. It's D66LT. D66LT. Before that, we'll see some pictures related to V. Yes, we'll see some pictures related to V. Okay. V for van. V for was. V for vulture. V for violin. V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
Vest. V for vacuum cleaner.
V for violin.
Okay.
V for van. कौन अगले लिखना हाथ तो भी
Kavyani's dad. Look at the screen, Ma Kavyani first. Come on, name the pictures given in the screen. Name the pictures given in the screen. V for
Vulture.
Violet. Violet is not here. Violin. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for vest. V for vacuum cleaner. V for vulture. V for van. Now coming back to your worksheet. V. Those who have place given below, you can write there, or else you have next page, you can write that also. Today's date is, yesterday was 13 and today is 14, children. Come on, write the date. 1, 4, 14.
Hurry up, take the pencil from that side, start writing.
10, 2020. Yes. Vivan, what month is this, Vivan? What month is this? What month is this? Priya. V, not V, month. What is this month? January, February, March. What month is this?
Month, ma.
October. Yes? October. Okay, children, start writing V. It's very easy, children. Here you are going to write, if it is a capital letter, you are going to write, start from the red line till the blue line. And the small letters, you are going to write in between the blue lines. Okay? In between the blue lines.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Karthikeyan is ready for talk time, ma'am.
He's ready? Yeah? Okay. End of the session, I'll call him. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
2 worksheets only. We'll finish it off and we'll conduct the talk time.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
You can write in this worksheet also, children. Those who don't have place in that worksheet can carry on with this worksheet. But before writing, have to name all these pictures. V for van, V for vulture, V for vegetables, V for violin. Whenever you write in a worksheet related to the alphabet, have to name out all the pictures given in this worksheet, children. Okay? And then only you have to write. Let me know once you finish, children. Yes, Nitila, what are you doing, Nitila? Dhanvin, finished. Very good. Nitila, Lakshana, what are you doing? Are you writing anything? Mithila and Lakshana. Mithila.
My parents are Marina. Railway.
Okay, after you finish this B worksheet, I want you to take D65 MT. Nitila, what are you doing, Manitila? What are you writing?
CD, ma'am.
Yes, ABCD. Very good, Nitila. Good girl. She will only show to me. Good, Nitila. Come on, Nitila. Well done. Very good. Come on, continue. Very good. Next, Lakshana. Good girl, Nitila. Lakshana. Yes, who is showing? Siddharth, good Siddharth. Is it Siddharth? Yeah, Siddharth, good. Lakshana, are you there, Lakshana? Come on, tell me yes, ma'am. D65 MT worksheet. You have number 4343 and 4444. Yes, who is going to count today, ma? Who is going to count?
Hello?
Yes, ma, Lakshana.
பேசுறாங்க மேம்.
Lakshana, if you have a slate, you can take and write the alphabet. Oh, she is Monish sister.
ஆமா மேம்.
Okay.
அவங்களுக்கு இன்னும் புக்ஸ் வரல மேம், அதனால 1 வீக் ஆகும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
இல்ல last year slate you will have, no?
ஓகே மேம்.
அது இருந்தா கூட எழுத கொடுங்க. இப்போதைக்கு ABCD எழுதட்டும். நான் பாக்குறேன் எப்படி எழுதிருக்காங்க.
சரி மேம். ஓகே. புடிச்சுக்கு வரேன். வரேன்.
Yes, children, who is going to count along with ma'am today? Tarnika, shall we count, Tarnika? Tarnika, shall we count? Lakshana's mom. You can mute yourself, Lakshana's mom. Let her write and then you call me, okay? Okay, thank you. Tarnika, shall we count, Tarnika? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. 4, 3, 43. Four, 3, 43. Children, yesterday I saw your maths homework. It was very nice. Thank you so much, children, for writing so neatly in your notebook. Thank you so much, children. I'll correct and send it today, okay? Rest of the children, those who sent in the morning, I'll correct and send it to you. Yes, Janavi?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Janavi. Next is 44. Group of 10, we are going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 4, 4, 44. Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank?
He's not writing, ma'am.
Why, Vishank? No gummy bear tomorrow. You are not writing, I will not play that song. Come on, write. End of the session, I'll play rhymes for you. I'll play Baby Shark rhymes for you. Come on. Right. Baby Shark, do. I'll play. Come on. We'll see it today, okay? Come on, good boy, no? Come on, write. Then no rhymes. That's it. I don't know, pa. No rhymes. If you want shark rhymes, you should write. No throwing your pencil down, Vishank. It's bad habit, ma. Come on, write. You're a good boy, no? Come on, write. See your friends, everyone are writing. Look at the screen. See, all of your friends are writing. Yes or no? What do you want? You tell me. I'll give you. Come on. What do you want? You tell me. Yes? ABCD rhymes are.
He want a plate to you. You said Lakshana write in slate, right? He understood write in plate.
Oh, she's a new girl, ma. I have to see how she is writing. Then only I can give her the workbook, right? But you're not like that. Okay, we'll write in the slate. First, you finish the worksheet. Then we'll write in the slate. Okay, very good, Nightek. First, you finish it off in this book. Then we'll write in the slate. Come on. Vishank and ma'am is going to write. Vanilla ma'am and Vishank are going to write in the slate. Come on, you finish the worksheet. Then who will write in the worksheet? Mummy and daddy, huh? No, it's your book only, no. Only Vishank will write. Come on, Vishank. Good boy.
Rest.
Yes, I saw, ma. Siddharth, I saw. Naitik, I saw.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Dhanvin. Good, Dhanvin. Okay, I'm going to come back
Ma'am,
and see what Vishank is doing. I'm going to see. Tarnika finished. Very good, Tarnika. Very good. Vivan is writing. Okay, good. Janvi is writing. Good children.
4, 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43.
Very good,
3,
Rohita.
5.
Wow, very fast she is writing. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, no, finish me.
What, ma?
She don't finish.
What?
11.
I can't hear you, Rohita's mom.
Sorry. She don't finish, ma'am.
Let her finish. I'm watching her only.
No,
Let her finish. Okay. Karthikeyan finish. Devkrish finish.
No, ma'am, writing.
Okay, right. Right slowly you write, okay? Once you finish, Karthikeyan is going to talk about wild animals or farm animals, Karthikeyan? About what you are going to talk? What is your topic? Yes, ma'am? Wild animals. Okay. Wait, okay. Let others finish. Then I'll ask you. At that time, you talk about that. Okay? Okay. Very good. What, Nightek? What are you doing? What is that dru? What is that dru sound? Driving,
44.
Hey, your mama is not with you,
Mama call.
Mama call. All incomplete sentence only. No full sentence. Mama is working.
Yeah.
I have to say like that. I will say and you will say yes, sir. Naughty boy. Okay, right. Don't look at me, right? Good children. Lakshana, are you writing, ma? Lakshana, are you writing? Nukshita, finish. Very good, Nukshita. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Next. Someone is showing. I don't know. I can't see their face.
It's finished.
Yeah, Diksha. If you close the book with your face, how will I see? Good, Dikshan. Well done. Well done. Very good. Say your name, then only I know who has written. Very good, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Pranita also finished. Good. Good, Pranita. Well done. Very good, children. Very good. Dev Krish finished. Very good. Yeah, I saw. Dev Krish finished. Very good. Janvi still writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Finisha, you didn't show me the book. Okay. Hope everyone has finished, children. We'll see what Karthikeyan is going to talk about. Let us see, okay? Come on, Karthikeyan, are you ready?
Ready, ma'am.
One second, ma'am. Janvi is
Yeah.
watching.
Yeah, good. Okay, finished means okay. I thought she didn't finish and she is playing. Yes, ma, Nightek. Very good, Nightek. Good boy, Nightek. Okay, come on. Children, all of you listen. Now, Karthikeyan is going to talk about wild animals. Come on, Karthikeyan, start.
Good afternoon. My name is Karthikeyan. I'm going to talk about wild animals used for Earth. They can eat their breath. They will eat rats and fart over food. They will eat flats. Wild animals are lion, tiger, apron, elephant, giraffe, camel. Lion and one is cock. Cub. Tiger and one couple. Elephant and one cock. Apron giraffe and one cock. Giraffe and one joy. Thank everyone. Thank you.
Wow, so cute, Karthikeyan. Apra, what is that apra? Instead of apra, you use next. Okay? Thereafter, you will not say apram. What will you say? Next. Yes? Very good. So cute, Karthikeyan. Wonderful. High five, ma. High five, Karthikeyan. Yeah, get a gift for Karthikeyan's mom. Very nice, Karthikeyan. Very clear speech. Well done. And thank you, Karthikeyan. Okay, children, hope you all have finished your worksheet. And thanks for your cooperation. Tomorrow, the same timing by 10 o'clock. Okay, not by 2 o'clock. So, you log in by 10 o'clock. Okay, children. Bye, children. Bye. Bye. Yeah, bye, children. Vishank, wait, Vishank. Vishank, you should not leave, Vishank. Yes, Pranita. Bye, Pranita. Vishank, stay.
Finished.
Kavyarni, huh? Very good, Kavyarni. Good.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, Karthikeyan. Bye, Devkrish. Bye, Kavyarni. Yes, come on. Vishank, now you are only here. Come on. What are you doing, Vishank? Yes, he is writing. Vishank is good boy. Very good.
3, 4, 3, 43. Here's. Ma'am is watching you, right?
Ma'am is watching you. Come on. You kept your pencil down. See, I'm going to play rhymes for you, I said. Yes? Pakka, I'll play rhymes for you, okay? Come on.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
What 1 minute, ma'am?
Ma'am.
Rest. Go and come. Come on. Come first. Ma'am is here only. You do. 1 minute, I'll come back. You write. I'm watching you. Come on, you write. I'll be back. Yes, I'm watching you, Kanna. You write. Come on, ma. Right.
Ma'am, dark and dark.